We guide you through how to fix Face ID not recognizing your face on iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to remove anything in your face like your sunglass, mask, or accessories that may interfere with your Face ID. Then go to Settings, tap Face ID and Passcode, enter your passcode, and make sure Face ID is enabled for iPhone unlock and other features. If it still doesn't work, tap Reset Face ID and set up again by following the instructions to scan your face from different angles. Make sure you hold your iPhone at a normal distance and keep your entire face visible during setup. You can also restart your iPhone to fix temporary software glitches. If the Face ID stopped working after an update, check for a newer iOS version by going to Settings, General, and Software Update.